How to enable two-step verification on your email account. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Static Studio. So if you want to add an extra layer of security to your email account by enabling the two-step verification, then here's the step-by-step guide. Well, so not to enable the two-step verification, you just should open up the email application from your phone, and from the home page go and tap on this profile icon at the top left, and from the profile go and tap on the settings option inside here. And once you're here inside the settings, go ahead and tap on account and security. And once you're here inside the account and security, he'll get us to the second option, login protection. You just need to tap on this, and once you're here inside this one, you just should enable the basic protection and then tap on OK, and the basic protection will be enabled. So if you want to secure your account more, then you'll get to see the advanced protection option. You just need to tap on advanced protection. This will actually help you to SIM binding, Android only, and also enhance the security by enabling the two-step verification. So if you enable that, he'll get to see you only can verify your account by call verification and one-step SMS verification. This is the most advanced one, and this is how you can enable the two-step verification or the login protection on your email account. Hope you find it pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.